The conclusion is that the pollution from oil rigs poses no serious health hazard to the fish population in the rig's vicinity. We need to weaken that, and therefore our expectation from the correct answer choice is that such pollution does affect the health of the fish population in the rig's vicinity. So with that broad expectation, let's move into the answer choices. Only a radius of 10 miles was considered for the first catch. So yes, it is something good, in fact, in terms of seeing maximum effect of the pollution. So in the first catch, only a small radius around the oil rig should have been considered, and the term only here suggests that yes, a relatively small radius was considered, and therefore this answer choice is strengthening, not weakening, the researcher's argument. Look at choice B. If the ecosystems were not similar in other aspects, the weather conditions and all, this is an additional detail which does not weaken the argument as such. At best, it can only bring the conclusion into question. It cannot weaken it much. See, the question here is most seriously weakens. In such questions stems with a most, you're likely to have some weak answer choices which may marginally do the job, but they would be too weak to be the correct answer choice. So probably we can put a 0 here, suggesting that this is a weak choice. Look at choice C. Pollution from oil rigs affects the egg-laying behavior. So yes, if the egg-laying behavior is affected, it will have an impact on the population of the fish. The surviving fish may be equally healthy, but they're going to be less in number. That's a very interesting answer choice. This should definitely stay. Look at answer choice D. Whether the number of oil rigs present is small in number does not impact the argument, and if at all, by saying that only a small number is present, this answer choice, if anything, is going to strengthen and not weaken the argument. So D is a bad answer choice. Look at choice E. Did not include is a very weak statement. Had the answer choice been that another research showed that the plants are affected and fish survive on such plants, then this would have been a strong enough answer choice. But the buzz phrases here did not include and then long-term effect. These are indications that this is another weak answer choice. We can put a 0 here. And C, the question stem says most, so we are likely to have some weak answer choices. B and E are weak. They can be eliminated. Relatively, we have answer choice C that directly suggests that the pollution may be affecting the population of the fish. It may not be affecting the health of the surviving fish, but by affecting their mating patterns and egg-laying behavior, this is impacting the fish population. See, the term here is fish population, and affecting egg-laying behavior is bound to have an impact on the fish population. If you chose one of B and E, you must ask yourself, how did you eliminate C? Remember, in the verbal section, it is not about selecting one answer choice, it's about eliminating 4. If you chose B or E, you are probably not eliminating, you are selecting. Please don't do that. Eliminate 4 answer choices. The one that you cannot eliminate is the correct answer choice. C it is in this question.